Post-construction termite treatment retrofits like flashing and sill pans reduce long-term risk and complement chemical treatments. Start by inspecting all window and door openings for gaps between the sill and framing and for any signs of moisture staining or mud tubes. Measure and note the sill widths so you can select or fabricate sill pans that sit under the stop and lap onto the face of the rough sill by at least 3/4 of an inch. Use continuous through flashing that ties into the sill pan and extends up behind the cladding at least 2 inches and over the face of the exterior sheathing by at least 3/4 of an inch to create a continuous water and termite shed plane. When installing, bed the sill pan or flashing on a compatible sealant that remains flexible and is rated for vertical and horizontal movement. Tool the sealant to ensure full contact and avoid voids. Add a drip edge to the outer face of the sill or to the bottom edge of the trim so water cannot track back under the sill and reach wood framing. Finally, lower exterior soil grade, so there is at least 6 inches of vertical clearance between exterior grade and any wood framing, and repair any defective flashing or gaps at penetrations using metal or polymeric flashing that resists corrosion. Common mistakes include stopping the flashing short at the jambs, which lets water and termites bypass the protected plane, so always extend flashing fully behind jambs and seal corners carefully. Another issue is using non-compatible sealants or glues that fail under ultraviolet exposure or movement, so select a high-quality exterior rated sealant and follow manufacturer cure times. People also leave soil or mulch against the siding, which creates a continuous bridge for termites. Correct that by regrading, installing a gravel buffer or a physical separation, and keeping mulch at least 6 inches away from framing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can perform retrofits like sill pan and flashing installation and manage grading work, and we connect contractors with homeowners seeking those services. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, installation photos, and contractor recommendations.